Day 31 out in the wilderness. I can't find Andrew or Paul anywhere. I don't know what's going on. Guys, where are you? Guys!
There will come once again a player to capture the imagination and the hearts of the world.
Good morning from Iceland. It's 7:30 in the morning here. We're just getting on the road again. That's where we spent the night. And right over there, you can't see it. Behind there is a volcano that erupted in the 70s. That volcano erupted in the 1970s. And we stayed right there last night. No worries. Also, this is the town on the island that we stayed at. We're back on the ferry and we're heading out. Thank you, Westman Islands. It's been fantastic. Off the ferry, back on the road. Ooh, chocolate almonds, where'd those come from? First stop off is this waterfall, something Foss. We can't pronounce it. Something Foss. Let's go. Up next, we just found the Skogafoss. This is a big waterfall. Check out this bruh. He's up to his knees to get the shot. Now that is commitment to photography or maybe even Instagram. So apparently, Steve heard that there's this secret waterfall.
I'm saying it's gonna be a secret until we find it.
Alright, we found water. So I'm assuming down there is a waterfall. Paul, where are you going, Paul? Paul. This is our third waterfall today. I'm not mad.
Over there, too. It's pretty sweet. We're staying over there. This is teamwork, folks.
6.5 hours later.
It's more secret than all the other waterfalls we've been to, and well worth the stop, for sure. We've now reached the southernmost part of Iceland. We're gonna go check it out. Alright, so we just left there, getting back on the road, and just as we were getting going, we lost a GoPro. We're back there looking for the GoPro. Did you find it?
Just only broke the case.
Oh, yes, still alive.
Here, go pull.
After about 8 hours of driving, we finally arrived in our Airbnb tonight. It's a really cool little log cabin. Covered a lot of ground today. We started off here, where we traveled to yesterday. And unfortunately, the ferry didn't go directly across like it did last time. It made us retrace our steps over to here. And then, we went along here, along there, stopped at some waterfalls. Stopped up some sites, stopped at some sites, stopped at some sites, came in here, and then made a straight shot all the way along here, completely dark, in and out, and here we are now at Reykjavik, I can't pronounce it, Reykjavik. Tomorrow we get to interview a soccer club. Thanks to our Airbnb hosts. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Andrew. Back to present day. I'm sitting here finishing up editing this vlog, and realize that there's absolutely zero soccer in this video. And this is a soccer channel after all. So for that, I apologize. I enjoy showing the day-to-day and behind the scenes of our trip. So if you don't like it, let me know in the comment below. If you're indifferent, let us know. If you love it, I'd also be interested in hearing that too. So I enjoy showing the day-to-day of our trip in Iceland. Besides, it's absolutely gorgeous, so I love showing that. Yeah, don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. It's free, and we'd love it. Yeah, so other than that, that's all I got. Thanks.
Step 3 and the final step is going around the ball counterclockwise. I love soccer because it's the greatest sport on earth.
I love soccer because it unifies people beyond race, culture, and language.
I love soccer because it makes my family proud. I like soccer because it lets me use my speed.